So, hi guys, how you all doing? I hope mko fiti, I hope mko salama. It's been a while, it's been a while and I've really missed you guys. Mmekuaje? How is everything? How are you guys doing? I've missed you guys. Mmekuaje? I think nimeshasahau kushoot vlog. I just don't know. Oh my goodness. Have you guys been? Mmekuaje? So, let me take this chance to welcome myself or welcome you guys back. Hata nimechanganikiwa, niwakaribishe ama nijikaribishe. Anyway guys, so welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm all about fun and love and the good things in life. Yeah, so in case you're a new subscriber, kindly consider subscribing, give us that, hit that subscription, and also turn on the post notification bell so that hey I did a skaibu nikisema you're notified when we upload a new video, because my god, it's been a while since I uploaded. But anyway, let's hope you're going to be a little bit more consistent. Let's hope so. So yeah, give us that subscription and turn on your post notification bell so that you're notified whenever we upload a new video. So on this one, I did a video showing you guys whatever I received this from my baby. He sent me, he got me this amazing stuff, and I just want to to use them. I have not used this because I've not used this hair dryer because it needed something we call a step down. I did not know much of a step down until I had to use it. So apparently moto ni mingi, haitaki moto mingi, so it needed something called a step down right here. So kama mtaiona, here it is, hivi ndio inakaa, and oh, ina guruma, like ina vibrate kama ka generator kadogo. Anyway guys, so this is how it looks so that it can work. If you plug it directly kwa stima, hai work because apparently your moto ni mingi. So guys, I've already cleaned my hair. I woke up, this is how my hair looks. It's actually wet, not sure kama mnaweza ona, but iko na maji, mnaona iko na maji. So I want to nywele yangu imekuwa ikikatika. It has been inakatika, sijui inaenda wapi. Huku kwanza, huku ends imeshikana. Ever since I did the artificial locks, my hair became something else. Huku at the ends, I've for a very long time, like all my life, nilikuwa nimekuwa na relaxed hair, and then I decided to go natural, and it's not easy, but I love my hair. Just huku kwa ends, I have trimmed my hair hadi nilikuwa naikata. Literally, I have trimmed it and it will not stop shedding. So if you have any oh god, if you have any recipe or remedy or I don't know what solution for this ends, just let me know, because I've really cut my hair so many times, so I don't know what to do now. So you can recommend hapo on the comment section, and I'll be glad to try. So I'll be using this treatment. This is not sponsored, so I won't talk much about it. And yeah, and in case you're there, you'd love to work with me or with us, I've put my email and everything. You can contact me, and yeah, we can always work if you're willing to collaborate with me. Sindo? Yeah, so hii nakata kutoka. So I want to nipake kwa nywele yangu. It's not they've said that this one is like, it's a leave-in conditioner, so I don't really have to rinse it off. So nitafanya tu blow dry and then No, nitaiweka niingie kwa dryer for some time for it to enter my scalp, and then ni blow dry my hair. See, no. So stick around, guys. Let's see. So it's already on, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it here. Here it's written high, off, and low. It's currently on low, and then there's warm and hot. So I think I'll be inside it for like 20 minutes. I will do 5 warm, and then the rest niweka hot. Nikishazoea juu naogopa kuna mtu, kuna another lady I saw on TikTok, but it was the ilikuwa the blow dry. Alienda kwa kisha lafika wakamoto. Naogopa. So but anyway, we pray God please protect us, nothing bad to happen to us. Send off. So hapa tutaweka on na off, and then hapa send off. So tuweke low and high. Oh, hapa ndio low na high. So nilikuwa naona niweke low, nianze na low. It doesn't have an on and off. I think you're on the on. Yeah, that's the on and off. So tutaweka makucha. And then on the end, no. I'm just testing. It's becoming big. It's low, it's warm. Maybe you can start with that. We do what? Let's see what's it here. Hot. It's hot. It's hot. So I'll put it somewhere let me put it, it's working. So niwekele hapo ndio nivae hii. I'll put it somewhere here. And then nivae sasa. Naogopa guys. Put it on warm. Good. Okay, it's not hard. Tuongeze hot on high. Hot. We put hot. It's warm at the moment. I put it at hot. not hot, it's cold. Kama ndio nimeki kwa nasikia kama huku hewa inatokea huku kama upepo. And then maybe we put it high. Yeah, it's becoming hot. You see, it's becoming hot. Ninatokea huku kwa hizi shimo. Unaona kama kuna mashimo wala mimi naona. Yeah. So I'll be here for the next like 20 minutes. Yeah, so I'll see you guys when I'm done. Yeah.
You are the light in my darkest night. Your love shines like a beacon so bright. Through the storms and the trials we face.
Acha maybe another 5 minutes nitoe.
Always love you, forever hold you.
So my hair here is already done, and yeah, it feels dry, and it's time to blow dry it. So this is my blow dryer. I'll be doing a video to also review it, but I've used it a while back. Again, it's from Talk. It's very nice. It's very sizable, and yeah, it's very easy to use. And
So guys, I'm back. I've had to change positions because I've tried plugging my blow dry and unfortunately imechoma nini yangu. Imechoma my extension. So right now it's not working. You know, I didn't even know. Nilikuwa nashindwa why is the blow dry not working. I don't know. Simwambia like mara moto mingi, mara moto mwingine kama moto kidogo, mara zingine zinachoma. It's just I don't know. So I've plugged it. Nimekaa hapa ndio ni plug directly like kwa ingine. I hope it doesn't burn that one. I really hope and I pray it doesn't burn. So nimeiakisha, it's on and I really, but I don't want it to burn my things. I don't want to have other expenses. So it's working. So I've applied this growth oil. It's a protective lotion. Nini iko na mahali pa kuweka fan na kuasha na increase the intensity, and then hapa iko na place ya kuongeza heat. Ukienda moja inakuwa like it's not very hot, but when you put it juu kabisa inakuwa hot. Yeah, so yeah, let's just go dry the hair. this is how I look. I had done this half side of it, that side, and I had just started doing, come on, I had just started doing this other side, and imechoma the other my other extension. So right now I don't even know what to do because imechoma zote, imechoma sasa mbili. So my hair is like that. It's a nice one, but I don't know what to do because sasa kama inachoma kila kitu nitafanya nini? I don't know. I'm feeling frustrated. I'm feeling bored. I don't know. At this point, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I'm really frustrated. So nitaenda salon ndio dry huku kwenye nimebaki. This side and this one. My hair is really curly. You can see here. It's really curly. Ama nirudishe tu hizo curls. I don't know. This is not a straight part. Ni side ingine. So I'm feeling bad. I'm feeling frustrated. So let me I don't know. Let me end this video right here. Thank you so much for coming to this far of this video. In case you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Please subscribe. And in case you have already subscribed, if you're a new you're actually not new, you're returning, and you've come to this far, thank you so much. I love you, I appreciate you, thank you for the support. Sawa. Let me just end this here and get my life together, my shit together. Up going to the salon. I'll insert a clip of how long my hair has grown despite vile mmeona. So nimeiweka hivi ndio isishikane because you guys have seen how it tangles. So I'll put a short clip for you guys to see everything, and I'm a happy babe. Yeah, I have to figure out what I'm gonna do because all my extensions are banned. But anyway, see ya guys. Bye.